Hello everyone. We've discussed functions in detail. We've seen that function can accept any type of argument. Similarly, they can do a return to any type of data. The return value can be of any type. We're going to discuss functions that return functions in this video. I'll create a func, name it A. This function will have no parameters and it will return a function which will also have no parameters. So to start it off, I'll simply say print A. After that, I'll use a var b which will hold a function. This function will print b. So now this variable b holds the value of this function. So inside B we have everything, this highlighted part. So the next thing is that this function A needs a function to be returned. So I'll simply say return B. Now this whole function will be returned when A is called or when A is invoked. So it's time to call A. I'll say outer because A is our outer function. A and invoke it. When I invoke A, so the return value of A will be stored inside the outer variable. So if I move my cursor to outer variable, it is type func. So basically this part, because we are returning B, this part is stored inside outer when I invoke A. But when I invoke A, this will be executed. So we already see A printed out. And this will be stored inside outer. So now if I do a break over here, I simply print a break. After that, I'll simply invoke the outer because outer is also a function, so I can simply invoke it. This means that this code will run. As of now, before the break, we have never reached this code because this function was never invoked. I'll start off again. We create a variable outer. We invoke the function A. So A invokes, A prints. The second line executes that inside variable B we have this function saved. But it is not executed because it is not invoked yet. So this is just saved inside B. So the B is then returned to the function A. So outer has the value of B, which is this. And then when I print a break statement, and after that when I invoke the outer, only then we'll see B printed out. So we'll see A printed out first, then break, and then B. I'll just save this code and I'll do a go run. A, break, and B. This is how functions return functions. This will be all for this video. Thank you for watching.